It was shocking. The immigration judge had made up her mind.
A U.S. immigration judge ruled on Friday that President Donald Trump's administration can proceed with its deportation case against Mahmoud Khalil, a graduate student at Columbia University. Khalil, who was arrested in New York City last month and transferred to a Louisiana jail, has been a prominent figure in the pro-Palestinian student protest movement on Columbia's campus.
This is a blatant violation of the First Amendment and a dangerous precedent for anyone who believes in free speech and political expression.
The judge went out of her way to make very clear to us and anyone in the courtroom that the constitutional arguments we were making had no place in immigration court.
Politicians and institutions took to social media with opposing views immediately following the ruling. U.S. Secretary Homeland Security Kristi Noem posting, quote, "Mahmoud Khalil hates the United States and what we stand for, so his removal should come as welcome news." U.S. Congressman Darrell Issa adding, quote, "Go home and don't come back." While U.S. Congresswoman Rashida Tlaib called the ruling, quote, "a threat to all of us," and Amnesty International stating, quote, "this decision sends a painfully chilling message to anyone living in the U.S.
There's no use for this.
Don't worry about it. You're going to have to come with us. Don't worry.
I'm coming with you. Don't worry.
Last month, Secretary of State Marco Rubio determined that Khalil should be removed because his presence in the United States has potential serious adverse foreign policy consequences, citing a 1952 law called the Immigration and Nationality Act, which the Louisiana judge said she lacked the authority to overrule.
There's no mistake. There was no accident in him being sent to Louisiana. Sticking him in the middle of the South with very little access to people, technology, etc., is just a further attempt to chill him.
The ruling by Judge Jamie Comins of the LaSalle Immigration Court in Louisiana was not a final determination of Khalil's fate, but it represented a significant victory for the Republican president in his efforts to deport foreign pro-Palestinian students who are in the United States legally and, like Khalil, have not been charged with any crime.
We move on now into what's called the relief stage, where Mahmoud can present certain applications to defend against removal.
In a separate case in New Jersey federal court, the judge has blocked deportation while he considers Khalil's claim that his arrest was made in violation of the U.S. Constitution's First Amendment protections for freedom of speech. For City News, I'm Madison Fitzpatrick.